The market has fresh, farm-to-table produce and seafood, and you would like to cook something perfect for dinner this evening that's fast and delicious. Well, we got a great recipe for you here at Side Guy Cooks with Shrimp and Veggie Roast. And here are the ingredients: shrimp, zucchini, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, white onion, olive oil, salt and pepper, garlic, lemon juice, lemon zest, white wine, parsley, couscous, or rice. So let's get started. Let's prepare the marinade. Time for the veggies. Set your timer for 20 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Let's prepare the shrimp. Let's build the dish. Set your timer for 10 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Shrimp have been around since the Cambrian period, which is over 500 million years ago. The commercial shrimp industry experienced significant growth in the 19th century. Today, shrimp ranks amongst the most highly consumed seafood item worldwide. That looks great right out of the oven. The rice and couscous recipes are in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Finish with chopped parsley. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the combination of tender shrimp and roasted vegetables creates a harmonious balance of savory, citrus, and aromatic flavor. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one amazing dinner. Stay with us. Watch the next video.